In this week's tutorial, I will show you on how to save a post on Facebook. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to save a post on Facebook. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open your Facebook account. You can save a video post or JPEG post or written post, or you can even save an ad. Let's for instance, I want to save this particular ad right here. What I need to do is to simply click on these three dots at the top right here. Click on these three dots. Then you have to make sure you click on save video. Okay, then you can choose for later only me. Then you want to save this particular post right here. What you need to do is to simply click on this particular three dots and make sure you choose save post. It's as simple as that. Then click on for later only me. Now you want to find all your saved posts on Facebook. What you need to do is to simply click on these three slider. Then take you right here. Then come down right here, click on saved. So all your saved posts is going to be found right here. You can simply click on see all. So you have them all right here. It's as simple as that. So this is how to save posts on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.